So you have a math, science, manufacturing quiz?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
You want me to describe it now?
Yep.
There are times when I stare at the floor in the bathroom and I see repeating spots on the floor covering,
Are they the same type of spots or different?
repeating spots on the floor.
Repeating. Okay, pardon me.
I said to myself, I know why that is. And Maureen would want to know why also.
Or do you want to know now?
I do want to
See,
know
I
why.
do too. We all want to know.
The math and science and manufacturing issue is, why do they repeat every so often? And why is the distance between them related to something? And so we can spot that in the bathroom floor and use a tape measure to measure the distance between them and figure out how big the roll was that they came off of or printed on. End of experiment.
And so what does that bring you?
Brings you almost nothing. But
That's what I was just thinking. It brings me nothing.
But the same is probably also true of the shirt you're wearing. Because the same is true in textile design and wallpaper and in carpeting and
Well,
repeat patterns.
now when she stops, now we have to go after her. There's a black